Criminal raps filed versus school shooter 15 dahil mukhang may discernment at pinagplanuhan nilang dalawa. He will probably be tried as an adult. But both will also be deprived of liberty. Even yung 14-year-old, most probably dun siya sa juvenile detention center. Hindi lang isasama kasama ng mga adult offenders. So tigilan na yung pagkakalat ng fake news na walang parusa. Yung ganitong case kasi has multiple levels, multiple layers, at hindi pwedeng parang instant solution na lang. Kagaya ng pag-ban sa all violent games, yes, pwedeng may influence. Pero hindi yun ang critical factor. Nakita natin dun sa 14-year-old, yung KMFDM. It's possible na sa game, yung platform na yon ang nagamit ng international hate groups to influence the young. Sana mag-focus dun sa handling of firearms, na dapat ang may access lang is yung licensed individual, na wala dapat access ang kahit sino man, whether matanda at lalong-lalo na yung bata. And naniniwala ako na mas mabigat ang pananagutan ng mga magulang, how they raised the children. And sana the government can augment this, na maliliit pa lang yung mga bata, i-emphasize ang good manners and right conduct sa school.